Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by collecting the essentials: email address, account password, and exact incoming and outgoing server names. Once done, choose a map if you want messages synced across devices, or POP if you prefer local downloads. Make sure you note port numbers and the security type, SSL/TLS or STARTLES, because mismatched settings cause failures. Also prepare recovery options like a phone or secondary email. This speeds password resets and avoids account lockouts during setup. You open Outlook, go to File, then Add Account, and select Manual Setup to take control. Next, pick a map or POP based on your earlier choice. Enter the incoming and outgoing server host names and precise port numbers. Set the encryption method to match the server, SSL/TLS or STARTLES. Enter your username and password exactly, and then use the Test Account Settings button. It verifies login and SMTP sending, so you fix issues before you leave the screen. You finish by completing the wizard and sending a test email to confirm outgoing mail. Once sent, make sure folders sync and that your inbox shows recent messages. If not, adjust sync frequency and subscribe to folders. For offline use, set download ranges and cache preferences. If something goes wrong, first recheck port numbers and the authentication method, then confirm your password and server names. Also temporarily disable firewall or antivirus to isolate blockages. That usually reveals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.